To evolve from a society or as individual that is broke, stupid, dumb, and everything that we can name, we need intention, decision, and then determination. And those three combined cocktails make a huge good portion. Now, they make a difference, but in the long term, and why they're important, because we need the intention set by the need to create the desire. The desire creates the intention, then we have the decision. We make a decision, a conscious decision, or even unconscious decision to get something, to be determined to get that thing, and to do something every day, every time, leading specifically into getting that thing. It is a truly hard work. It is a truly tough journey. And of course, we don't know yet how long does it take and how long it's gonna take, but we know for sure if you do it right, it's up to you to find how it is right. If you do it right, you're gonna succeed. But there are a lot of things to learn along the way. There are a lot of skills to be acquired, and there are a lot of change that needs to be gone through. And those are important if we are definitely looking for the overall success, and we cannot stand for the least amount of effort. We cannot stand for the least amount of success. We need all of them. We need it all. We want them. We have to be ready for it. But let's remember something. There is a price to be paid for everything we want. To be free, even like these birds flying above the oceans, they have to work for it. And like them, we have to work for our freedom. We have to work for our success. It ain't given. It's taken. And they have to be free. Each of them has to learn to fly. Each of them has to learn and understand the path. Each of them has to do the work. And coming here, standing right here, and looking right to the oceans, and looking at the vast as far as my eye can see, I just see freedom. But there is a price to that. There is a price to be paid that we may not be ready to pay, or that we might not be willing to pay. But there is something for sure. Being free, it is beautiful. Being free, it is amazing. It is inspiring. It is aspirational. And I want to be free like these birds. But I have to learn I have to learn to fly like them. I have to learn to jump. I have to learn to let go. I have to learn to do the hard things. I have to learn to be willing to manage the fears above the ocean, where there is no certainty of landing to a safe spot. That is a metaphor to life. And when I come here and I look at these birds, they just remind me each moment of knowing that winding above the sea is freeing, but it is dangerous, because you can fall at any time and you can die at any moment. But there is something really sure that we already know about life, which is death. It is even the most surest thing that we know. In fact, one of the things that we can be sure of is that we are going probably to die. But how are we going to die? Can we know that? No, we don't. So, in this beautiful day, in this beautiful morning, I just came here. It's a bit cold, but it is inspirational. It is aspiring. It is beautiful. And I hope you too, wherever you are, whoever you are, whatever situation you are going through, whatever you are dealing with, just know that it will never be eternal. It will be passing, and you will become better. You will become great. And you will be proud of yourself. You will be happy that you haven't give up on yourself, that you have done the great thing, that you have made the great decision, that you have done the work, that you haven't given up, that you have stick to the process, that you have done everything that you can, that you really did put everything into it, every hour, every minute, every second, none of them lost, that you did really take care of yourself, that you really stick to the vision, that you really did everything like you planned to do. And don't let time be your worst enemy. Let it be your best ally. Let it be your best friend by acting now, by committing to the plan, by doing everything that you can and letting the time plays out to be your best ally and not your enemy. And when you do that, you gonna let the world see the greatness in you. You're gonna let the world see the greatness in you, flying above the ocean and flying into the sky and seeing the beautiful from all the perspective. And that is life, and that's how your life can be if you just give your chance to do this thing for yourself, for your family, for your community, and for your loved ones. Ladies and gentlemen, it is freeing, beautiful, artistically designed to be alive at specific moment and seeing certain specific thing. It is a witness of the humorous metaphor of life. It reminds us that whatever we want, there is a price to be paid for it, and that price is worth paying. The pains from the loneliness, the pains from the hardship of life, the pain from the severe, repetitive traumas that you have. Those are pains, and they're real. You have to learn to deal with them. You have to learn to go through them.